Hello everyone, a very good day to you all. I am Akibul Hassan Mojumdar with student ID 1606051. Our project is to design and implement an energy metering system. Power theft, incorrect meter reading and billing, along with reluctance of consumers towards paying electricity bills on time, cause a high percentage of electricity revenue loss. An efficient prepaid energy metering system can help to reduce or eliminate these obstacles and increase revenue. A prepaid energy metering system allows a consumer to buy a recharge card and get some energy units in return for the balance amount. We have designed a prepaid meter which works in 4 steps. Firstly, the consumer have to recharge an amount of money to buy electrical power. Secondly, based on the consumption, the meter will continuously update the balance. Thirdly, when balance reduces below a certain amount, it will warn the consumer about low balance. Last but not the least, it will disconnect the load if the balance reaches zero. The consumer can again resume electricity consumption after recharging. With this, my part of presentation comes to an end. Our next speaker will start presenting now. Thank you. Thank you all.
Hello, I am Mahfuzanan. My student ID is 1606049. Here I am going to present you our project Prepaid Energy Meter. Here we can see we have an 8051 microcontroller, we have an LCD, we have ULN2803, we have relay, load, main supply, and the buzzer. Here the main device is 8051. It is a 40 pins 8-bit device. It basically controls the entire operation of this circuit. Here we have an LCD. It can display 16 characters per line and there are 2 lines. We have used LCD to show the simulation results or balance in this case. ULN2803 is a relay driver. It can handle 8 relays at a time, but we need only 1 relay for this project. Here, relay is an electromagnetic device which is used as a switch. In this case, after recharging balance, it keeps its contacts closed as long as balance doesn't reach zero. When balance ends, contacts opens and load gets disconnected from power supply. Basically, this load gets turned off. And we have here buzzer used as alarm and 2 LEDs. One will show low balance and other will show zero balance. Thank you.
We have used a 8051 microcontroller for our project and we have written the code in assembly, and the code is compiled in Kyle uvision 5 software. Here you can see the code. Now I'm going to explain the algorithm. Here I have written the algorithm in a text file. Here, as you can see, the R1 register of the microcontroller contains the recharged amount, that is 7 taka, and the R2, R3, and R4 register contains the 110th and unit digit of the amount that is recharged. So after that, the display shows the balance amount and subtract 5 taka. Here the 5 taka represents the low balance. That means if the balance is lower than 5 taka, it will show a low balance. Yeah, as you can see, if I run this code, the balance is 7 taka, and in the code I have used 5 pulses for reducing 1 taka. So after 5 seconds of simulation, this display will reduce 1 taka. Here you can see that after the 5 taka balance, the display is showing low balances, and If the balance becomes zero, that means no prepaid amount is present there, then the circuit will um, sh- turn off the turn off the load and turn on this zero balance LED. Here you can see the balance is 1 taka and it is indicating low balance. And after that, when the balance is 0 taka, the load is turned off and uh, the red LED is lit. I have also designed the PCB layout for this project. For this, I have used the Proteus auto route system, and the 3D visualizer is also present there. Present. Yes. So this is our project.
I am Sadiqul Islam with student ID on 606036. Now I am presenting the difficulties we have faced during implementing the project and future aspect of this project. Basically, this is a hardware based project. But in this pandemic situation, it wasn't possible to implement it in hardware. So we have to do it by simulation. Problem arrived during coding. We overcame it by trial and error and took help from Google. Our project has a great future aspect. Nowadays, prepaid energy meter is getting popular in many countries. We can further improve our project by adding GSM. If the GSM technology is used, then consumer would receive message about the consumption of power, and if it reaches the minimum amount, it would automatically alert the consumer to recharge. The implementation of this project will help in better energy management, conservation of energy, and also reduces unnecessary hassle over incorrect billing. The prepaid energy meter are likely to cut the cost of meter reading as no meter readers are required. Thus, it improves operational efficiencies, reduces financial risk, and gives a better customer service. So that's all our project presentation. Thanks to all. Stay home, stay safe.